My name is Dr.suresh and today we are going to discuss chapter 10 of unit 2, that is integration with external data sources in MS Excel and automation technique. So what is that integration with external data sources? So you are going to connect Excel or uh, with other databases such as web pages, uh, MS Access and other files. So you're going to extract data from those files to Excel. That is the whole purpose here. Suppose we'll go for the first one. Yes, we'll go for integrating with external data in MS Excel. We'll go for MS Access database. So MS Access, as you know, it is a database system where you can record the you know mm, data in table form, for form. Then you can also generate reports in MS Access, query. All these things can be done in MS Access. So I'll show you what is the. So this is typically the database we are having. I have created a student database in table form where there is ID, name, address, contact number, and email ID has been given. If you want to know how it has been done, you have to go to design view, and here I have specified the ID as auto number, name as short text, address as short text, contact number long text. You can go for long number also or short number. Email ID is hyperlink. So this is the database I have created, and this is the datasheet view in MS Access. So how to take this data to you know MS Excel, and now see. So what we'll do, uh, at the first stage we'll create a we'll start off with a suppose we'll create a new MX Excel. Suppose this is integration. Okay, integration. Okay, so this is the Excel mm, spreadsheet interface. You can see now what you are supposed to do. See, step by step. Go to data. Okay, click on data. Okay, go to data, click on get database. Okay, and then you have to click on from database, then click on from Microsoft Access database. Okay, so it will take you where your file is. So as because our file is in desktop, so we'll go for this desktop, then NAP syllabus. Okay, then fifth semester, and uh, here in Excel sheets used, we are having student database that we have created. Import. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, then again this navigator will come, go to student database, and you'll see that you'll click on this navigator. It will show you the data, and you can, if there is some error or something like that, then you can transform the data. Otherwise, you can go for load. Once you're clicking on load, then it will start loading the data, and see this has been completed. So integrated MS Access data has been extracted and taken into MS Excel. Now see, this has been done. Then if we are going to change something, suppose we are going to add another name in the database. Okay, like see, suppose we're adding, suppose Kajal, Kajal, and he's from Katak with number of 8956478256, and Kajal at the rate, oh, Kajal one, suppose at the rate gmail.com. Okay, okay. Then you have to click on refresh all. Once you're clicking refresh all, then you'll have to see that whether it is refreshed here also or not. Earlier it was there, but in Excel sheet it has not been. It is not showing. Okay, so you have to click here, refresh all. Once you are clicking here, then automatically you're seeing that in Excel file also, Kajal and his and her address contact number is reflected. So this is how it is integrated. The MS Access data is integrated with MS Excel. So whenever you are changing something in the MS Access database, you have to refresh it. After refreshing it, go to the Excel, and here you have to click on refresh all, and the changes that you have made in MS Access database will be reflected in the Excel database. Thank you.